Welcome back to Trading Forex Stories, where we dissect the market's narrative for the seasoned trader. Alright, let's cut through the noise. You're not here for the basics. You know what a hammer is. You can spot a doji from a mile away. But if you're honest, how many times have you seen a perfect bullish engulfing pattern fail? Or a textbook evening star just do nothing? The truth is, most traders are drowning in a sea of meaningless candlestick shapes, applying them like horoscopes instead of the tactical tools they are. The confusion ends today. For expert traders, isolated candlestick patterns are nearly useless. They're pretty pictures without context, and trading them in isolation is a fast track to frustration. Your edge doesn't come from memorizing shapes. It comes from understanding the auction market process that these patterns merely represent. Think about it. A bullish engulfing pattern isn't a buy signal. It's a visual story of a shift in momentum. It tells you that at a key area, perhaps a major support zone, a liquidity pool, or a significant order block, the bears attempted to push price lower, but were completely overwhelmed by aggressive buying pressure. The close above the prior candle's open is the critical detail, showing conviction. The real power isn't in the pattern itself, but in where it forms. Is it at the confluence of a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement and a previous swing high acting as support? Is it after a sweep of liquidity below a clear level? That's your signal. Similarly, don't just look for a doji for indecision. Look for a series of them, a tight range consolidation after a strong move. That's not indecision, that's balance. And a breakout from that balance, confirmed by volume or momentum divergence, is your high probability play. We need to shift from a pattern recognition mindset to a market structure mindset. Stop asking, what pattern is this? Start asking, what does this price action tell me about the battle between buyers and sellers at this critical moment in the market narrative? Are the bulls absorbing supply? Are the sellers trapped? Your charts aren't a collection of candles. They're a footprint of order flow. Trade that story, not the silhouette. If this reframe clicked for you, then you understand that mastering context is what separates the consistent from the confused. Smash that like button if you're trading the story, not just the candle. Subscribe to Trading Forex Stories and hit the notification bell, because next week we're diving deeper, exposing the hidden liquidity traps that these high-probability patterns often target. Drop a comment below with your biggest aha moment when a pattern finally made sense in context. Until then, trade smart, trade disciplined.